Привет,
Hello
сейфовый замок
everyone, this is a
JUWEL
safe lock JUWEL 3+3
и турбодекодер.
and a turbo decoder.
Два оборота.
There are 2 turns. When you do the tension, you do not need to completely return back every time after that. Do not do it like that. We make tension, rotate the wheel, and weaken very little back. And again we take the tension and weaken very little and make the tension again. That is, we take very little back, no need to do full.
Первый оборот есть.
The first turnover is got.
И второй оборот есть.
And there is a second turn.
JUWEL 3×3.
JUWEL 3+3. The price will be on the website, the link is under this video.
Ссылки. Все будет на видео. Пока.